Alright. Alright. Girl, I swear to God, it's you I rather. But I couldn't ever love you like my daughter had the honor. Please.
Guys, I don't know say it's a girl CC, and today I'm there back with the next promotion. I want you to go over to Nitty K. Go over the like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Just comment down there, make sure you know see a CC and Nathan Senino. Please, me I beg you guys. Please. Our link I go down in the description. Just click it, go over there, subscribe, like, share it out, and comment, and you don't know it, guys. Love you. What's up, guys?
You don't know it's your boy Nathan.
And I got a CC.
Yeah, guys, and we're there today with the next video,
As
guys.
you can see down in the title, today we are going to do.
Yeah, we're going to translate dancehall song into standard English, guys. You know that? Yeah. So you know, see a bag of things, wild. Yeah. Because you know, your boy Nathan there already, isn't he?
And guys, before we get into this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, guys, make sure you press the bell and press all.
Yeah, because YouTube start the trouble, so after time, we're not going to be notified until late. So we just turn on that bell, guys.
Yeah.
Go on with a bag of things and jump and pick up our video and stop. You know what I mean? Yeah,
guys, we want you to go over to the second channel.
Like,
subscribe,
share, comment, and subscribe.
Link in the description here.
We're gonna start just my video about one intro over there, guys. Go over there, go watch it out, like it up, and comment. You see?
Guys, you see?
Go over to Nathan Music page on
guys. Prodigy Music. Link in the description.
Yeah, guys. So just click it.
Subscribe and receive some. It's a preview over there.
Yeah,
guys.
So let's get right into this video. So you go on.
Me if you go first?
Song, then.
Me if you go first?
No, you just search for the song.
I can't search for song for you. Are you if you give me which song you want to give me?
Oh, I forgot the answer. You
I can't give me that song. Wait. First song is an easy song, this guy.
skip it though.
You can start. Easy song. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that time.
Baby.
Woo! Woo!
Baby, when bright light start to fade, fire appear later.
Not the part.
In already people, in already.
Alright. Yeah, look up. Because I use this song that I get.
I
use this song again.
I'm going to give a stand though.
Yes, sir. Can't come in now. Look how you take long to give me one song. Hold on. Find a song and see.
So let me go.
You can't look there, you have if you are lame out the people them thing. It takes so long to find one song. How much song you have to skip past?
Alright.
No sir. Okay, let's sing this you go for. Take off that. Use a different song. That's too raw. Join them.
Yes.
Alright. Canterbury. Light up the weed and say. Easy about easy that I say.
Alright,
Light up the weed, oh yeah. Dog, the thing is that hair for a cokehead. The weed that I smoke is bigger than a brown bread, and it It brings me to the
yeah.
bad mind.
Yeah.
Me no pass.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
me go give her some.
good job. Anything when I come with guys, I don't know it's time I can pass that. So
Me I give her one song, I know so she can go.
lie material. Lie.
That me I get it. Yeah, guys.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Let me say it right now. Coffee, come in. What she say? No, coffee, come eat. Coffee, came eat.
Coffee comes in like a rupture.
So you want job
And
you want
everybody
me to
gets
people
captured.
Just because you don't want me to say
Alright,
yeah,
that is
come
a
loud.
fail. You has to go. I'm
Give me
sorry.
something.
Oh,
God.
God. Cece is just fainted. She just fainted. I don't know when she's going to.
So I'm come with Jamil. I better tomorrow.
What kind of song is it? I don't know that song.
What?
I don't know that song.
Oh, you don't know this?
I don't know it. Stop it. Man. I don't know that song. You have a lot of songs where you can pick. No. Look out. Yeah. How is song this? Oh God, a big song this, guys. Galway. Alright. Alright. Girl, I swear to God, it's you I rather. But I couldn't ever love you like my daughter Adiana. Clean Air Force but yo, just Bill, just chill.
No,
just chill.
Somebody come control you.
Just tell her to just Bill.
You come feel
I'm me a the lead, you know. I'm me a lead. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get this now. And then man purple.
Don't know, say I'm fully 6 sorry, yeah.
Alright.
What do you mean? Yeah.
What kind of song that?
Bushweed that nothing bill up.
You know what it do? You know what it do?
Bushweed that not supposed to build up.
Oh God. Yeah, what I thought. Fail. That is a fail already. A fail.
Hey.
No, sir.
Hey, me I tell you, you're so nice.
So, me can't really bother.
Alright.
Bushu. Boy. See Nathan, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cause, CC, you don't know what she really are doing up.
Stop being nice.
Come on, what she can manage it on. Out here. Shockstar that. Shockstar.
Shockstar of seafood. 6.
Voila. Stop it right there. You don't have to play
You
it.
didn't have wait.
Shockstar of Seafood. 6. One wrong. I don't trust. Mankind is easy to switch. Oh God, I don't trust. I have the lead. Guys, I don't trust.
Boy.
No, I don't know how some people do it about.
You don't know how you do it. You cry, man.
Yeah, let's see how cry. Guys, listen to this one now. Yeah, let's see how cry.
Chop a line, eh? Every time, eh? Chop a line.
Chop line.
Chop, oh, you mean? Chop what kind of line? Just chop lines up. What is fun? What kind of, yeah, boy? Chop line. Man, get away.
So what is it say?
But
What is it before
chop
that?
line, chop.
So what is it about?
Chop the line.
What is it before that?
What?
Chop the line, yeah.
Yeah.
Every time, yeah. Half meal in the club, they said.
Where that come
the
from?
Money, no.
Where that come from? That song. Half million that club. You know the duffel the one said. No sir. Which song? Oh. Zai. So I keep things current.
Vietnam man.
Current, you can't play too long and stop. Yeah, stop it now. So I keep things current. Zai, fly the wise. 6. Money into my pocket. 4 side of my vest. I know. No.
Why?
No. Alright, we're gonna give what song you know?
I know we need to like
Yeah. Look at me, I'm gonna give you. Yo! See.
What go again? What start again?
Yeah.
Every girl loves sex because we is bandulo.
You need help. Because we is. Why? What's up, yo?
Every girl loves sex because we are bandulu.
Because we are.
Yeah.
So the pattern that every girl loves 6 because we are Bantu.
Move from your Move, man.
Bad man get the best of day. Bad man. Are you time?
Am I time?
Yeah. Bad man get the best of 6.
Stop touching me.
Hello. Yo. Hey, don't play that. Skip that. You want next song. Next song. I don't know that song.
You don't know. I don't know that song.
You don't know it too.
You know the song, but you just don't want to sing the man song, Nathan.
Guys, honestly, I don't know that song.
Him know it, but him just don't want to sing the man song. Move.
So we have to move through the whole singing song. We don't know this
You
song.
have to stop it.
Yeah, more hear it start, that's why. How much of my killers I see gone into the hole. Life is worth more than quarter
The man
dozen
said
whores.
them life, me never hear say them life, you know.
Their life is worth more than quarter dozen whore. And when some man...
Done.
Ooh. Achelo? And the man now want a Reebok and a polo can play by the side.
I take the kick na box up. Black man na toss up. Gunshot in your face.
Alright. You're not gay for the fun. Sing the part where you know, no? The chorus part.
What you go again? Read.
No. Dog, try to tell them how we roll. How we roll.
Dark try tell him I roll dog.
Hey.
Reebok classic and we Paul hello.
Alright, stop it. Your pass, man, your pass.
We don't take no kick, no box up.
Hey. Oh, God.
That's DJ.
She says she can't bother with love, it hurts. Said
Whoa, get it right man. That keeps licking way. Yeah man, say it.
she said whenever she choose this, is it choose her, right? She says that she would cheat on you just to make you feel how she feels.
The man never say that.
What you mean? So she would have, you feel how you feel because she You see? Me pass.
You no pass. No.
Me pass.
The amount of stutter you stutter this thing, you
Me
can
pass.
never pass.
Yeah, sir.
I'm not going for them, man, brother. Wonderful to you doing great. But did you know you win $1 million today? Oh! And a lot of sweet steaks.
Let me see if you have seen.
In the lot of sweet state, you're kidding. Hear me up.
Hear me up. Hear me up. Guys, this song, it's already in English, you know. The verse of English, you know. Before CC don't sing over the tongue same way. Hear
So now,
hear me up. Up you say? Up you say?
me don't know.
Why? The man say hear me out.
Hear me out. It's all you gotta pay.
This is how you gotta pay. Hear me out. This is how you get paid.
Hear me out. This is all you gotta pay.
You know what after that? What
Just
after
listen to
that?
me. Check is on the way. But you gotta pay your fees that I pay. Yes! That you go pass though.
You feel 0.
The pass!
Last one.
Mm-hmm.
But not least. You know, it's the winner is me. Watch out guys, look how my skin. Magic can make my head flip quite fast and look at me. What? Watch it. Come on. She gone from my artist.
That one.
Pause that. You're not playing man.
Try to be a bit soon.
Yeah. Yo, whoa boss. They only see money on photo. Yeah, they only see money on photo. Yeah. 3 bad bitches in my room. Couple million. Throw down. Oh God. Guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
so we make it to the end of this video.
Give this video a thumbs up, guys.
Please
Thumbs up,
comment.
thumbs up,
Please
thumbs up.
subscribe.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, do everything, guys. Turn on the post notification bell.
Please remember to go over to our second channel, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I drop the video yet, but I'll drop an intro. So just go over and subscribe. Watch out the intro, guys. Soon start drop things over there. See?